morning. It's Monday, August 14th, 2023, and it's time for a reality check. Welcome to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Lizabeth, and I am living in the light by documenting my weight loss journey, and I'm using Optavia's 5-in-1 program. As part of my program, I have created this YouTube channel to hold myself accountable, and I come on each Monday, almost every Monday, and record a reality check where I let you know how I did as far as weight loss and inches go. On my channel, I also have lots of great recipes. I have some fueling hacks or transformations, as I call them, and lots of weight loss tips and tricks. We've been doing the Lifebook elements together as well, so lots of videos for you to explore. If you wouldn't mind just giving this video a thumbs up, that supports me, it supports my channel, it gives me encouragement and lets me know that there are people out there who are supporting me and cheering me on my journey. Also, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, I would love it if you would do that. Just hit that subscribe button. And if you find videos that you find inspirational or particularly informational to you as you go through the videos, if you would share those with your friends as well. You can share them on Facebook. I'm totally fine with that, or other social media. I would love it if I could have more people who would come and leave me comments and support me on my journey. You know, I always say that it's just a normal week, and it was just another normal week. Yesterday I started feeling a little yucky. My throat is a little bit on the sore side, and I've got to teach this week. So not really feeling the greatest. This is probably going to be a short and sweet video today, but I did want to share with you how I did this week. I am coming down to my goal of losing 153 pounds, getting closer and closer every week. And so let me show you how I did this week. More surprised than you are that I lost 2.2 pounds. I was fully expecting it to be a pound or less than a pound. I almost had my eyes closed when I got on the scale and was a little afraid of what I was going to see. But I was really surprised. So I've lost 2.2 pounds. But what is even more surprising is that I now am less than 10 pounds from my goal. That is like a huge celebration for me. I am beyond excited. 9.8 pounds, and so I'm really hoping that I will accomplish that goal by the time I get to the end of September is what I am hoping. We head to the beach in October, so I would really like to be in transition at that time and be able to add a few more things to my daily menu, which would be wonderful. I'm not so worried about only not losing any inches at all. I am able to shop for clothes in the non-plus sizes, and that's really exciting. I can wear a large shirt, and that's super exciting for me. So that was one of my goals that was not related to the scale, and that was to be able to walk into any store, buy clothes off the rack, and not have to worry about it. So that goal has been accomplished, and I'm looking forward to wearing even smaller sizes in the next month or so. So I'm excited about that. And I'm just excited about feeling more energy and being able to go and do things, to have the ability to walk upstairs, to walk up a hill, to walk for long periods of time and not feel tired. On my Facebook groups this week, I talked earlier about the difference between rules and regulations. So I wanted to just verbalize with you some of the thoughts that I had about the difference between rules and restrictions. When I think about restrictions, I think about negativity. It has a lot of negative connotations to it. And for a lot of us who have struggled with our weight for any portion of our life, and for those of us who have struggled our entire lives, that negativity just breeds a negative relationship with food, and really trying to change my own relationship with food into a positive one. And so I've tried really hard in this program to look at it as these are rules that are designed to keep me on the path. They're those concrete borders on the side of the highway that keep me from wandering one direction or the next. They keep me in line. They're not there to be negative. There are foods that we are not incorporating into our program right now, not because they're bad for us. Foods like fruits and some of those higher carbohydrate vegetables like Brussels sprouts and onions and things like that. They're good for you, but during the weight loss portion, Optavia has said, let's remove those things so that it's easier for your body to maintain blood sugar levels and be able to burn the fat. So it's not there as a restriction. It is there as a rule, as a guideline to keep you on track. So when somebody says, can I have X? My response back, as a matter of fact, yesterday, my response back to a lady who asked that question in one of the Facebook groups was, sure, you can have it. You can have PB2 powder. You can have Rayo's marinara sauce. You can have turkey bacon and turkey pepperoni. You can eat anything. You can eat a gallon of ice cream if you want to. But those things are removed from the program while you are trying to lose weight, so that you can give your body the quality ingredients that it needs in order to be able to burn through those calories and then burn some fat. So don't look at those things as, oh, nobody got fat eating Brussels sprouts. You're right. And nobody is saying you're going to get fat if you eat Brussels sprouts or if you eat blueberries or if you eat PB2 powder. You're right. That's not going to make you fat. But while you are trying to lose weight, remove those things from your pathway, because those are the things that are going to make it harder for your body to lose the weight. I hope that makes sense when you hear it that way. Sometimes hearing it out loud is better than reading it off of a screen, a computer screen, or a book page or something. So I hope that that is helpful for you to understand that in a little bit better way. So it's not restrictions, it's rules. It's not can I have, it's should I have. Is that food going to get me to my weight loss goal or not? And you have to make that decision about whether or not it's going to further your goal. I was going to do Lifebook Element 5 tonight as a Zoom call, but I'm really not feeling great. I have to teach 2 classes tomorrow, so I really know that by the time I get to the end of the day today, I'm going to be tired and I'm not going to feel up to doing a Zoom call. So we're going to put that off until next Monday. You can look for the Zoom link. I will post that on my Facebook groups and on my own personal Facebook page, so you can access that call next week. If you haven't read up through Element 5 yet, go ahead and start plugging away. Even if you haven't had it read, please come to the call and participate, ask questions, or just listen in. We have lots of people who just come and listen, and lots of people who just listen to the recording later, which is fine as well, because I will record it and post the recording. And I'm going to kind of take it easy today. I've got to work, make some client calls, and if you are looking for a coach, if you are looking for some support, please reach out to me. I'd love to be able to help you. If it's not with me, it would be with another wonderful coach that I could point you towards, and I'd be happy to do that as well. So please reach out to me. My contact information is in the information box below. I would love to also do a Q&A with my next unboxing, so if you could leave some questions in the comments box down below. What are some things you want to know about my journey? What are some things that you want to know about weight loss in general, or other questions you might have? Please feel free to leave those in the comments box. And until I see you next time, please live in the light.